Hey there, it's Brittany. I want to do a quick haul from Hole in the Wall Beads Destash group. I bought some items from Pam Cosman, and here's her information. She had some really beautiful artisan pendants that caught my eye, and I bought two of them. I can't believe I even bought more than one. I can't believe I bought one, first of all, but I bought two of them. They were gorgeous. But she also had some other beads that I grabbed up too. First thing are these carved beads, and I didn't realize that they were different animals, and if I had paid more attention, I would have probably asked, because I thought I saw a monkey, but either way, I got a snake, which is really cool. He's sleeping. He's a sleepy snake. And then I don't really know what this guy is. I don't know if it's a lizard, but then it looks like it has legs, like with hoofs. So, or hooves, or maybe it's a ram. I don't know. I think it is maybe a ram. I don't know. It's super duper duper cool though. Like, these are crazy amazing. Crazy amazing. I love them. And then I got two of these pendants. They're little, I think these are Eye of Horus, not Evil Eyes. Maybe I said that wrong, but thought they were pretty cool. And then I got some of these beads, 30 pieces, and after I bought them, I looked at my bone drawer and I thought, oh no, I have beads that have stars on them already, but they're a different size. So that's good. I think I'm going to string these though, because in my bone drawer is just a bunch of bead strands laid out, and if I keep putting baggies in there, it's going to get messed up. So I'm going to put all those on a strand of like monofilament or twine or something. I don't know. And then, so here is the first pendant I bought, and it's called Stingray Coral, which I hadn't seen before, but it's gorgeous. And so the pendant is sterling silver with 18 karat gold plate on the shell. So this is gold, 18 karat gold plated, and then this is sterling silver, and then these two larger round pieces are gold plated. But look at that cabochon. Isn't that, can you believe the earth makes stuff like that? Like, this is just crazy. Mother Nature makes stuff that looks like that. It's so crazy, and it's just beautiful. You know, I love beachy stuff, and I have no idea what I'm going to do with these yet. I'm tempted to make something a little more high-end with it, but I'm also tempted to just get a sterling silver ball chain and wear it just like this, because it's so gorgeous. And then the big mama, she's amazing. This is the first one I saw when she put it up, but I kind of waffled back and forth, because this is turquoise with, okay, so sterling silver, turquoise, and I think she said there's copper, turquoise and copper in there. And then the yellow parts are gold, 18 karat gold plated. So she was, I don't have anything else that comes close to looking like this. And I just thought it was a really special piece. So super beautiful. And couldn't resist it. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. Again, I really kind of want to make a really special piece with it, but I also really just want to put it on a ball chain, like a sterling silver nice one. But you know what I might do? I might wait, take it, I might take pictures of it. I don't think I'm going to take it with me to Tucson in September. And it's my goal to buy some really nice turquoise in Tucson this year, and maybe some labradorite. The labradorite I wouldn't use with this, but maybe not. And some moonstone, because I'm like obsessed with moonstone. Maybe moonstone would look really cool with this, because I feel like this is like planetary because of the stars, and like I just feel like moonstone and turquoise would look really nice together with silver and gold. So maybe that's where I'll go with this. I don't know. I don't think I have any, like, maybe I do have some sterling silver spacer beads, but for the most part, I think everything I have is silver plated. So I might end up getting some nicer components to go with it, depending on what design I decide to go with. But anyway, obviously this guy's my favorite, quickly followed by this guy. Everything was fun. that I got from Pam. I will leave a link below to Hole in the Wall Beads Destash group. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your day. Let me know what your favorite thing was, and stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Please like, subscribe, and share. I hope you have a good day. Bye-bye. Hi, baby. Hi, baby. Yeah? Hello. Looking right at the camera today, huh? Oh, look at that little smile. Too happy it's Friday, huh? Your Grammy's coming to see you tomorrow. Yeah. Can you say happy weekend? Happy weekend.